welcome to the Science Lab. Here we have Scientist Christine
and Scientist Jen.
Wonderful. We are excited to share our Science Lab, which is an electrophoresis lab. The purpose of this activity is to separate molecules to see chemical components of different compounds. So we want to make the gels for this first. So the first thing we need to do is we need to take our
agar powder
and measure about 1 gram of that. And then we have our buffer, and we want to measure about 50 milliliters of the buffer. If you don't have a beaker, you can use this wonderful cup of science right here. It works just as well. Measure 50 milliliters of the buffer. And then you want to mix the two substances together. Swirl it in your cup. And then you're going to put it in the microwave, zap it for about 30 seconds or until the two substances are combined without any clumps. And then you're going to pour it into the tray and put your comb in the tray. Put the comb in the tray so that you can insert different substances to see those different components. And then you need to let it set for about 10 minutes. And then when it's set for those 10 minutes, you have your gel, and you're ready to carry on with the rest of the experiment. So here we're going to do a little scientist switch.
Intermission. La la la.
All right.
Hi, Scientist Jen.
Hello, Scientist Christine. Here we go.
Okay, so part 2. So after the gel, she explained how that was created and poured. You have 2 paper clips that will be resting beneath the gel, and those will be sticking out in this apparatus. You end up loading your compounds, like she explained, and in this case, we used Kool-Aid powders and candy colorants that were done in a dye extracting solution. We loaded them carefully into each little well, and then this side of the apparatus is connected to a negative charge, and the red is the positive charge on the batteries. We used 5 cells and connected to this end, therefore causing an electro gradient going from a negative to positive. The molecules will begin to separate out based on their weights. The heavier molecules will stay more towards the gel side, and the lighter ones will travel faster. And you can see that the first, second, the third well, that was actually a grape Kool-Aid, and grape you would assume is purple. You see the blue and the red are beginning to separate. That means the red molecule is a little bit lighter than the blue. You can run this for any time you want, but eventually these colors will be separated out and will continue to travel towards the positive side until they actually run off the gel. So whenever you're ready, you can take those little alligator clips off and stop, dry your gel, and examine your colors. Fine work today, Scientist
Great
Jen.
job, Scientist Christine. Thank you for joining us for Science Lab time.
Happy day.
Happy day.